cannot handling. Today we will review 15 plus 15 watt Class D amplifier Gold 60E, and also we will do overload test with my speakers. Let's go. And some information of board. At 4 ohms it will be produce 15 plus 15 watt left and right, and it works at 8 voltage to 24 voltage. 24 voltage is best. And guys, this is turn on, and I did all connections, and I will test first with 12 voltage supply. After this laptop supply, I think so 18 or 19 voltage laptop supply. Connected charger, laptop charger. Let's see how it works. One thing, sound is so crystal clear. I can hear clearly sound. And when I will increase the song, it will be, it cannot handling, I think so. A 15 plus 15 watt amplifier review. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Bye.